In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to remove green screen in Canva. So let's get started. So let me just get my sample green screen footage right here from the elements and search for green screen. And you'd be able to do this even if you're in video or in a photo. So you can do both. First, let's go for photos and let me demonstrate. So in here, let's find something that has a green screen background. Like for example, let's see. Let's go for this one right here. So it has a green screen background, right? So we're going to go and remove that. We can do that by selecting the element right here, the photo or the video, and click here on BG remover if the green screen is actually the background. So that will be very easy in this case. As you can see, we have now removed that in one click. What's trickier is that you have something like this. As you can see, the green screen is inside. It's not the background. So when we click here on BG remover, it would actually just remove the background, not the green screen. So what we're going to do to fix this is we're going to click here on BG remover again to go here. And then we just need to restore the whole image first. So we're just going to cancel the removal right there. And after this, you want to go click here on erase, and basically you just need to erase the green screen right here. But the only thing here is that it's not automatic, it's manual. So you would have to do this carefully, just like that. And yeah, this is the only downgrade here in Canva because it doesn't really have that option to remove green screen specifically. It can only remove the background. So as you can see, I'm not doing it really precisely because I'm in a tutorial, so I have to do this fast. So just like that, you can be more precise with this if you don't want to. Right there. So I think that's done. And now I can just remove the other parts right there so I can clean that up just like that. So yeah, this is the result right here. I mean, I could slow it down and get a more perfect result. But yeah, this is basically how you can do it if you are doing green screen on the inside of the element. And now, what if you're doing it in a video? So you could absolutely do that. So you can go here into green screen videos again, green screen, go into videos, and let's say that we would want this one right here. So you do not want to remove the green screen. What we need to do, click here on edit, and then just go into background remover, same thing as the image. And as you can see, we have now removed it. The only thing here in a video is that you wouldn't be able to actually adjust or erase specific parts, just like what we did with this image right here. And that's how you can remove the background or the green screen here in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.